Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the Yee dashcam. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so your first step is to clean the area where you're going to be attaching your camera mount, just to get any dirt off the windshield to make sure it adheres properly. Okay guys, so before you all actually attach the mount to your windshield, let me just show you guys quickly how the mount attaches to the camera. So the bottom of the mount slides into the top of the camera. There's a groove right here and a little rectangular tab on the mount. It just slides in and snaps into place. To remove the mount, there's a little tab here. Just press the tab and slide it this way to remove it, and to snap it back into place, slides in this way. Alright guys, so second step, attach the camera to the mount. Do a quick test fit to see where you're going to be positioning it to get a proper view of the front. Once you have a general idea where you're going to position it, then you attach your mount. Alright guys, so once you know where you're attaching it, you remove your 3M tape. Alright guys, so once you remove the 3M tape, press the mount firmly to the windshield and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds to make sure it sets in place. Just make sure that it's firmly stuck onto the windshield.
Alright, so you're setting your camera to get a proper view, and then you're fixing it by tightening this and this. So both of them, you're tightening this part to select the angle, and you're tightening this one to tilt it up and down.
Alright guys, so after installing it and adjusting the angle of your screen, the USB power wire, we'll be tucking it behind here, running it up here, tucking it behind the trim here, along your roof liner. Gonna be coming down the A-pillar here, so you'll be tucking it along the A-pillar here. Could use tape to attach it around the side of the dashboard on the outside, and we're gonna pass it underneath the console area here to the side, and then it attaches into the USB charger in the cigarette port. And your last step would be to plug in your charger, which came with the camera, into your cigarette lighter here and attach your USB power cable. Alright guys, so in our case, the Yee charger which came with the camera is actually too short to fit into the USB port in this car, which is a BMW F30 model. It doesn't fit in this port because the tip is a little too short to reach all the way down.
That's what she said.
As you can see the difference in the tip, the Yee on the right has a flat tip versus a rounded tip on the other USB charger that we will be using. So because the tip on the Yee is flat at the top, it's a little bit too short to reach all the way in to make a connection in the cigarette charger. So we had to end up using this charger to power the camera. So just a note for anyone who is installing it on a BMW F30. You need an additional USB cigarette charger to power the camera. Alright guys, so that was a quick install for the Yee dash camera. The next video we're going to be doing a short review on the video quality, both during the daytime and the nighttime. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching.